Google finally shows off the front of the Pixel 7 Pro officially. Looks less curved. Google hasn't been shy showing off its new Pixel 7 smartphones, but to date, the company hasn't officially shown off the front of the Pixel 7 Pro. Just a couple of days ago, Google showed off the Pixel 7 Pro in a new promotional ad, and at the same time, it also let the world know that the phone would be available for pre-orders starting on October 6. Finally, an official image of the front of the device has made its way online, and it seems to confirm something from previous leaks. The Pixel 7 series was first shown off back at Google I/O in a surprise reveal, and in the time since we've seen new tidbits about the device, including its various colorways and more. Earlier this week, we also found a first look at the new cases for the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. But as mentioned, Google has kept the front of the Pixel 7 Pro out of the public eye, at least in official renders so far. This week, though, Google has released an image of the Pixel 7 Pro from the front and the back on its Pixel Superfans page on Facebook. The group itself is private, but this image was posted as the public-facing header. There's not a ton to gather from this sole image, but on looking at the sides of the display, it appears as though the sides of the display are ever so slightly less curved compared to the previous generation. This lines up with the previous hands-on with early units of the Pixel 7 Pro, which showed the device in action right alongside the Pixel 6 Pro and did show that Google has toned down the curved sides a bit this year. Personally, that's a move I'm happy to see. Curved glass on top of a display tends to add reflections and makes it virtually impossible to use a screen protector that isn't glued down to the display. Accidental touches are also more common with these curved displays. Google's move appears to be subtle, but it's a step in the right direction and seemingly similar to what Samsung did with its Galaxy S20 generation. The phone has a center position punch hole cutout for the selfie snapper, symmetrical bezels across all corners, and slightly curved edges for better grip. The back panel has the usual horizontal stripe that houses triple cameras and an LED flash. The camera module has a protrusion of the flat back panel. The phone can be seen in hazel color, but there will be other options at launch. Furthermore, the image also shows two Pixel Watches and Pixel Buds Pro. The Pixel 7 Pro's back panel and hazel colorway can also be seen in the image, since the image is posted in a closed Facebook group isn't available for public viewing. Alongside this, a new leak tells us that the Pixel 7 will cost as much as the Pixel 6 did when it launched, and the Pixel 7 Pro will likewise match the Pixel 6 Pro's price. That means the smaller model will go for $599, while the bigger one will retail for $899, just like last year. Of course, even if these leaked prices do pan out, keep in mind that they only cover the US market. This year, Apple also kept its iPhone prices intact in the US, but hiked them across the board in other countries, so Google might just do the same. As revealed before, the Pixel 7 will be offered in snow, obsidian, and lemongrass, while the Pixel 7 Pro will come in obsidian, hazel, and snow. Snow seems to be Google's way of saying white, while obsidian is a stand-in for black. Today's leak also tells us that if you pre-order a Pixel 7 at Target, you'll get a $100 gift card, while pre-ordering the Pixel 7 Pro means a $200 gift card. While this sounds like an impressive opportunity, at this point it's unclear what kind of conditions are tied to the promotion. But if these gift cards are offered with no strings attached, this could end up being a really good deal for those that are interested in the handsets. Pre-orders will start on the day of the event, October 6, and the previously rumored October 13 release date is confirmed once more by this rumor. Luckily, we won't have to wait long as the Made by Google event is set to take place on October 6. So far, Google has shared a lot of information about its new phones ahead of their official debut. So far, we have seen the phones in full and their colors. We also know that the Pixel 7 handsets will be powered by Google's new Tensor D2 processor. With so much already known, hopefully, Google will have some interesting surprises left to announce at the event. So what do you guys think about this new promotional update from Google itself? Let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next